Hi, this is Sue Painter with Sell Travel Better, and I wanted to jump on here real quick and tell you that this is one way you can have success. I sold the upgrade offer from Holland America Lines to a first-time cruiser earlier this morning when they first said no, and here's how I did it. Okay, well, I got just a few minutes, so let me tell you this story. So I have these clients, and it's really been, I mean, I would have you dying laughing if I told you the whole story, but they are leaving in about 4 days to go on a Holland America cruise to Alaska out of Seattle, and it is the first cruise they've ever taken, and in fact, it's their very first vacation in about 20 years. And so it's been, I mean, they didn't have passports, they didn't have enhanced driver's license, but none of that matters. They bought a veranda room on Hal, cabin on Hal. And then yesterday I got an upgrade offer from Hal for them that they could upgrade to a Neptune suite for $499 per person for this week-long cruise. And as you and I both know, Neptune suites are usually pretty expensive per person, and they also they come with private dining and a private concierge and so forth. So I sent that to the client and said, you got this offer for an upgrade, but I need to call it in, talk about it, decide if you want it. It's $499 per person. And she immediately wrote me back and said, no, we're not even going to stay in the room. And that's pricey. If it was $250 per person and a total of $500, I might do it, but that's pricey. So I thought about that for a minute, and I thought, I'm going to see if I can flip this and I can sell this upgrade to her. So all I did was take a picture. I went on to Holland America Line and I took a picture that they have on their website of the Neptune suite, and with the description underneath it, it includes private dining, the private concierge, and the other amenities that you get for being in Neptune suite. And I just did a screenshot of that picture. And then I also made sure that it included, I looked it up for that particular cruise. And for that particular cruise, a Neptune suite was, I think, $49.35 per person. So close to right at $10,000 for both of them. And so I wrote her and I said, yeah, I understand it. I know this is your first cruise and it's Alaska and you're not going to be in the room very much. I wanted to just show you what the Neptune suite includes. And as you can see, it has private dining, and also it has concierge services to help you with anything you need. And you know, I've been on HAL a lot of times and I've never been offered this upgrade. And I have a really high Mariner status. So it's a great price if you look at what they normally sell for. But and I'm not really, you know, if you don't want it, that's fine. I just wanted you to know for sure this is what you're missing. And so then I went to bed last night, and when I got up about 2:30 in the morning to go to the bathroom, then what happened, I already had an email from her. Oh, we've decided, what the heck, it looks really nice. Why not splurge on our very first cruise? Would you please get it for us? So here's the deal. First of all, don't ever take no as the very final answer. A no means not yet. A no rarely means no, not ever in my lifetime. Secondly, educate people. These people are first-time cruisers. They don't really even know hardly what they're getting into, and it's my job to make sure they have a smooth and great time. Show what they're missing. We all will sell most what we are showing. So I could tell her what was in the suite, but what really sold her was the picture, seeing that high price of $49.35 a person up in the corner, and reading the description of what was included in the Neptune suite. So use the collateral that you have at your fingertips from the people, the suppliers you sell from, and actually show what it is that you want to sell. So that's all it took. And now I'm just waiting until 11 o'clock Eastern time for their special service office to open, because you have to call it in. And now I'm fingers crossed that they haven't all already sold out. I mean, for $500 a person to get a Neptune suite, if I were on HAL and they offered me that upgrade, I would take it. I think that would be cool to experience for $500 a person. And we've never actually been offered that at all. So show it, and then don't take no, just educate a little bit and see if that turns into a yes. So that's my tip for you today. This is Sue with Sell Travel Better. And if you would like to be on my email list, please go to selltravelbetter.com and leave me your name and your email. And about once a week or maybe every other week, I send out a little email with some tips for you. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, would you please hit subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be alerted when I upload new YouTube videos. That's it for now. Take care. Bye-bye.